Today we're going to take a look at Simple Real Estate Pack for WordPress. Simple Real Estate Pack is a plugin that allows additional functionality to your real estate WordPress website. So this is just a mock listing. It's just kind of dummy text, but it allows me to add school information. I can put in the Yelp API and pull in information around my address of the property that I'm talking about, location map, which I have the option to see, what schools are, like this is the property here, what schools or grocery stores are around, different restaurants. It just plots them on the map so I can see what's around. Now, obviously you could use this information for things other than just listings. If you're writing about what's in the area or just schools in general, you can do that. There's also, you can put in different, in this case I can put in a mortgage calculator very easily. This is some information about sales data from Trulia. I kind of put everything on here. You may or may not want to do that. I can see, this shows elementary school, middle school, high school, etc. Alright, so let's get started on how to install. In this example we're going to be working in this demo real estate website. So let's go to the admin panel. We're going to go to plugins. We want to add new. And just simply type in Simple Real Estate Pack. And it'll be the one by Max Cherkov, which is here. So we want to install. Yes. Activate plugin. And we're good. So there's actually a couple things we need to do. We need to go get a Yelp API key to make all this work. So we'll see SREP, Simple Real Estate Pack settings, which you can just come in and check that out. It's actually, you don't need to change anything there. What you do need to do is get a Yelp API, which you can do very easily. Just, you can click on this, register, and it'll give it to you. I'm just going to put mine in right now. And so that works. Alright, so now let's go back to, let's add a new post. Now this will work on posts and pages. I'm just going to make a post. So let's add new. And we'll see, actually I probably should have shown this before, but we'll see, you'll see 5 new buttons show up across here. This will put in schools and Yelp information. This is if you want to add mortgage calculators, a Google map, Altos market stats. I haven't really played around with that too much. If you want to add Trulia data, you can do that. I'm just going to make this an uncategorized plugin. Let's put in, just for fun, I'll just put in a photo. Let's just put it in from the media library. Let's put it in. And I'm going to put in just some dummy text. This is a little, this is really just for web developers. You'll probably never use this. Alright, so now let's put in, let's say we want to put in some school information. I just click on that little button in the top right. I'm going to put in, let's do the school location by zip code. Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's do 85260. grade level. We'll put the information into a table. Let's just do all coordinates. You need to get the coordinates. So I need to put the address, or an address of a property that we're doing in. And it's going to get the, you want to press this button to get the longitude and latitude. And actually, you don't need the optional parameters. It'll insert a little short code here. So then when we actually publish this thing, it'll show up. Now let's say maybe I want to put the Google map in. I got to put in the address. Oh, it's going to pre-populate it. Scottsdale, Arizona. Info window content. I don't know. I haven't really played with that enough. Let's put that in. All right. And maybe now we'll just put in a calculator. I want to put in a mortgage calculator. Max, usually 500 width pixels is good enough. I'm going to call this widget title. Let's call it mortgage calculator. Insert that. Let's publish it. Now let's view. Ooh, I forgot to put a title in. Test post. Call it SREP for the plugin we're using. Let's update that again. Simple real estate pack. Now let's view the post. And we can see, anyway, there's my property. There's the information about the schools, elementary, middle, high school. I've got a map, which I can, there's the property here, which I can come in and look at different market stats, nearby businesses, restaurants, banks. Anyway, pretty nice. Mortgage calculator. Down payment, let's do 20%, 30-year, 4%. Anyway, it gives me a little breakdown. I can get an amortization schedule if I want. What else? I think that's about it for Simple Real Estate Pack. You know, play around with it. It's a pretty nice little tool. You'll probably think of different ways to use it that I haven't even thought about. So anyway, just want to say thanks for tuning into this tutorial from Profound Marketing. Thank you.